Morning from Frank and Carrie's Homestead. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Glad to have you. Today on the homestead, wife's out here just wandering around with her. Anyway, we got some planted some flowers here and some out front. We got some other ones that's coming up, so it's going to be interesting what it's going to be this year. So anyway, we're just trying to get some things done here around the homestead, and that we got to do some repotting of the starts we got in the house. So we're going to try to get that done. Alright, back here with you. I got these all transplanted into some bigger pots. And then planted these green pepper plants that I caught on sale. And got my corn out here. See how it does out here. The blueberries, they're growing. So what I've been doing all afternoon is helping the neighbor over here trim her fruit trees. Got apple trees, peach trees, plum trees, and everything. And that's what I've been helping with all afternoon. But another thing is, I got one of my ducks that decides she wants to lay on eggs. And I went in to collect them, and she was like barking at me and coming at me. It was pretty crazy. So I was just letting her lay on the eggs. I'm about tired. Are you ladies tired? Huh? Are you ladies tired? I think they are. They're all over there hiding and laying down. Huh? You guys tired? And of course the wind had to pick up. The ducks, they've been in and out of the pond all day. Let's see if I can get you in here to see where she's laying. Laying right there in that corner. Just being a good mama. So I'm going to just let her be. We'll see what happens. Got any advice on ducks, and just let her hatch them out in there, or what do you do? I have no idea. I'm going to have to find out. So, yeah, that's where she's at, right there in that corner. Got one of the chickens in laying an egg. Pretty good haul for eggs again today. We sold 4.5 dozen this morning. Sold 3 dozen yesterday. So I still got a bunch. So I'm gonna just let her be and come in later and collect the eggs, and she'll move off and get right back on them. She just got off them. She realized I was out here. Yeah, she's got 2 eggs she's laying on, so yeah, I'm going to just let her lay on them. Alright, I'm going to attempt to throw these guys some bread and let you watch. There we go. They're liking it. Aha. Too bad. Well, that was fun, wasn't it? You gotta wait till tomorrow to get some more. Yeah. I got the sprinklers running there in the background. Trying to get that grass to grow underneath all these trees. Alright, let's go gather up the eggs for tonight. Alright, one thing I did was on these duck eggs, I marked them. I put an X on them so that way I can tell the wife not to pick those 2 duck eggs and let her lay on them. Alright, so there's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 5, 26, 7, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. 33 eggs today. And the 2 duck eggs I marked. So, what are you doing, ladies? Huh? What are you doing, Blossom? Yeah, I'm going out of here. What are you doing, ladies? Don't want to talk today? Well, we try, huh? Huh? You coming in here to speak your piece? Huh? You coming in here to talk to me? No? Okay. You sure you don't want to talk to me? Trying to catch some. Got a few little flies in here and she's trying to catch them. They do a pretty good job. Anyway, that's going to be today's video. And like I said, we just got a few little things done, some transplanting done. Mainly helped the neighbor with her trees and that. And so, anyway, don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. Most important, don't forget, smile today and smile tomorrow, and you're going to smile all week, guaranteed. Thanks for watching. You can listen to the other guys suggest some videos. While you're here, why don't you check out some of these other videos? It's going to be right up here, right in this area, over here somewhere. Just watch it for in this area over here. Okay? Make sure you watch them. You'll like them.